Hello, this video is for anyone who's ever had a problem running Gauntlet 3 on a mobile phone through Retroarch. Let me show you the problem. Is after you start this in single player, you're going to notice it's fine for a minute and you can walk around and shoot the enemies, but the problem is a second player is going to start, and once the second player starts, you're not going to be able to walk around the level anymore. It's going to screw up your game entirely. So okay, let me start tapping around on the screen because that'll probably speed it up a bit. Okay, there he is right there. That's the second player. So if I walk this way, I'm stuck. If I try to walk any other direction, like down here, I'm also still stuck. And I'll never be able to finish the level and play properly because of this. So let me show you the solution in the menu. Is what you want to do is go down here to on-screen overlay. Scroll down towards the bottom where it says enable overlay light gun mouse and pointer. Notice it says use any touch inputs not pressing overlay controls to create pointing device input for the core. What this means is any place you press on the screen that's not the touchpad is going to mess it up. So what you want to do is click this off, and then probably, if you don't want to have to do this in the future, go to your quick menu, scroll down, go to where it says overrides and save game override. So now this setting is going to be permanent to this game. You don't really want to make it permanent to the core because some of the games actually require mouse input, so then you won't have mouse input anymore. But then if I go and restart this game, I'm not going to have that problem anymore. Okay, here we are. I rebooted, but I skipped all the intro crap because I just want to get to it. Okay, now this time I can walk around and, like, let's say I just start tapping on the screen, I shouldn't have that problem at all. Yeah, I'm doing it right now and it's not starting a second player because that's the thing, is you've disabled all input except for what you're going to get on the gamepad overlay. So now you can play Gauntlet 3 to your heart's content, and this may be besides the point, but this game is just not everybody's cup of tea because of the problem with the obstacles and the isometric gameplay. But I just wanted to show that as a quick solution really quick. If anybody ever wanted to play this or any other Amiga game where they're having a second player start after the first player starts and then they get stuck in one section of the level. So that's all this is. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys soon.